Hello SDI students, my name is Martin and in this video we will be covering the cycle of operations for a pump action shotgun. As the forearm assembly is pulled backward, the bolt slide and bolt assembly also move backward. The hook at the front of the bolt slide engages the lower lip of the bolt lock, rotating it out of engagement with the locking recess in the top of the barrel, allowing the bolt assembly to move rearward. As the bolt slide continues rearward, the hammer is rotated rearward around its axis pin and past the sear. The sear engages the hammer. A ramp on the bolt slide engages the elevator assembly, pushing it up. Continued rearward movement of the bolt slide engages lugs at the rear of the elevator assembly, pushing it down. As the bolt slide continues rearward, it rotates the cartridge stop out of engagement with the next round in the magazine, allowing that round under pressure from the magazine spring to be pushed onto the elevator assembly. The cartridge interrupter assembly is pushed into engagement, preventing the next round from moving any further rearward. The cartridge stop rotates back into its home position. As the forearm assembly is pushed forward, ramps on the bolt slide engage the elevator assembly, forcing it up. The extractors push the cartridge into the chamber. The cartridge interrupter disengages, which allows the next round in the magazine to engage on the cartridge stop. As the cartridge stops in the chamber, the extractors are pushed over the rim of the chambered cartridge. The bolt slide engages the front ledge of the bolt lock, forcing it up and into engagement with the locking recess in the top of the barrel. Pulling the trigger pushes the disconnector and the sear forward. The sear disconnects from the hammer, allowing it to rotate forward under pressure from the hammer spring. The hammer strikes the firing pin, pushing it forward into the percussion cap of the chambered cartridge. The firing sequence is initiated. The wad and its contents are pushed down the bore and out of the barrel. The forearm assembly is pulled rearward, which unlocks the bolt assembly from the barrel. The extractors pull the empty case out of the chamber. The empty case is held on the bolt face until the back left side comes into contact with the receiver-mounted ejector. The empty case is rotated around the right extractor and out of the ejection port. The cartridge stop engages, allowing a new round onto the elevator assembly. The elevator is once more activated and a new round is chambered. This concludes the cycle of operations for a pump-action shotgun.